guys, this is the tutorial number 33 of this Linux tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about process management. So what exactly a process is? So process is a running instance of any launched or any executable program. It is the instruction loaded into the memory that are waiting to be executed currently or being executed is called a process. So it can be in the memory or currently being executed as well. So a process contains the address location of the memory, like where the process will get executed. Security, ownership, credentials, process ID, and process state. So the most important of all these is the process, different states of the process. So it can be the running state, sleeping state, um, uninterruptible process, terminated state, and zombie. So running state is that all those processes that are currently being executed, all the processes that are executing and consuming the CPU, these are called running. All the Now next is sleeping. So all the processes that are loaded in the memory but currently not being executed is known as sleeping process. Now uninterruptible process are those processes. Actually, these are the sleeping processes waiting for a specific condition to bring it back to running state. These are called uninterrupted state. Terminated state is the one in which all the processes that are permanently or temporarily stopped, it won't get executed again. It is called terminated. And the fifth one is the zombie state. So all the child processes waiting for an acknowledgement from the parent, which are already killed, is called zombie process. So the only way to kill the zombie process is to restart the machine. So once a process becomes zombie, it keeps on consuming the memory and you can't kill it. So five different states: running, sleeping, uninterrupted, terminated, and zombie. Cool. So this was about the theory part. Now how we can list these processes. So there are two types of process listings. One is PS command and another is stop command. So PS shows the static form of process listing. So we'll type PS. Okay. So there are three processes running. It's showing here. Okay. If we type ps minus aux, that you should also make habit of using this command with this three switches. So a states to list down all the process in the terminal. U stands for to display the owner of the processes, and X is to display the graphical associated process. So you see the difference. It gave a huge list. So this is done by PS. The another way of showing the processes I told is top. Let's clear the screen first. We'll type top. It's similar to the task manager which you typically uses in a Windows system. When you hit top, it refreshes every second. So in static state like PS, you can't refresh it. And once you type the command, the result came. You can't change it until unless you don't type that command again. But here in PS, it keeps refreshing, and it also shows some interesting stats here. It will tell you CPU utilization, it will tell you memory utilization, it will tell you the swap utilization. It shows the process ID, which user its process is associated to, uh, and this virtual memory, and how much resource it's consuming, how much percent of memory it is consuming, and which command initiated that process. So all these are displayed in the stop command. Going back to PS command, PSAUX. It's very useful when you're trying to search for any running process. Like if I want to know whether the HTTPD process is running or not, I'll try grep HTTPD. All right. It says there is a something called auto HTTP. This is not the one that I actually wanted to see, but that's fair. It's not running. What about FTPD? So again, I'll type ps-aux. I'll type FTP. Let's see. Okay, no. It's just that we are searching grep. That's why it shows here in HTTP and FTP. But these processes are not running. PS minus EF will give you another view. So I'll man PS, and you can go through all these documents and read once actually, so that you know what all different switches are available, how you can use it. So that's all about the process listing. Now you need to know how you can kill the processes. So killing process is pretty easy. You just need to type command kill and then a process ID, and you can also pass the kill signals. So knowing the process ID is very important, because if you don't know the process ID, you can't kill the process. So suppose if you want to know something, maybe we'll see something here, something which is not needed. We'll type one top. Let's see. We'll type top, and probably we'll kill one of these processes. Like maybe we'll start a Firefox here, and we'll try to kill it. So we started Firefox here. Process ID Firefox, where it went. Let it start. This is Firefox, and process ID 6541. If you want to kill it, we'll type K 6541 and signal number 9, and you see that Firefox is closed. All right, we'll start it again. I'll show you how it's done. We did it from the top command, but you can also type in the terminal. If you know the process ID, it's fine. The process ID of Firefox is 6595, so it changes. It's, we'll stop it. I think Control C. We'll type kill. Then we'll also type -9, and we'll type process ID 6595. As soon as we hit enter, you'll see the Firefox will be gone from here. All right, it got killed. All right. So instead of killing, or if you want to kill a process along with all child processes, the kill signal you should send is 15. We send the kill signal as 9 here. See this, the -9. So 9 is for abruptly ending the process. If you type 15, then it kills the process along with its child process. All the data related to the process is also closed. If you pass signal 19, then it pause the processes. So basically, when you need to debug a process, you need to pass signal -19. If you pass kill -18, it will resume the paused processes. All right. So this is how we kill the process. Now, next we are going to learn about how we can prioritize these processes. So many processes are running. How to prioritize one over another. So since not every process is important as another, scheduler can be told to use different scheduling policies for different processes. This priority is called the nice value of a process. So there are basically 40 different priority levels for nice value. So 20, -20 being highest, and it goes up to 19 being lowest. So -20, -19, and so on and so forth. It goes to 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes up to 19. So the highest rating of the process is -20. So if it is -20, it will the top priority process. Lower the nice value, higher is its priority. That's how you can understand it. So how you can change the priority of the process. So let's start the Firefox again. We'll hit top command. We will start Firefox. Cool. It got started. Here is Firefox 5753. All right. We are going to change the nice value of this process. So we will say renice. Cool. To a new nice number. Let's say the number is -10. Oh, sorry. Yep. We will type -10. For process ID, what is the process ID of Firefox? Is 6656. We'll type 6656 along with minus P, because minus P will tell this is for process ID. So this is how you can read it. Renice to a new number minus 10 for process ID 6656. That is the Firefox. Let's try to hit enter, and it says fail to set priority because we don't have permission. That's fine. We'll become root and we'll try to re-execute this command. We'll type su and hit the password, and we'll try to hit the same command again. So renice minus n, the new number is minus 10, and the process ID is 6656. All right. Old priority was 0, new priority is set to minus 10. So we increase the priority of the Firefox process. Cool. So this is all about priority, guys. We saw how the process listing is done, what are different skill signals you can pass, what are the different states of a process, and how we can change the priority of any process by running the command renice. So that's all for this particular tutorial. In next tutorial, we are going to learn about jobs on Linux. So I hope you understand something new in this concept and you enjoyed learning it. Do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any further updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.